Installing a FortiGate firewall isn't just about plugging it in, it's about getting it done right. That's where SwiftTech Solutions comes in. With advanced features like SD-WAN for seamless connectivity, robust threat detection, and application-aware traffic control, proper configuration is key to unlocking the full potential of your FortiGate device. Why SwiftTech? We combine deep FortiGate expertise with years of hands-on experience. We ensure your firewall is optimized for performance and security, tailored to your unique business needs. DIY installation or inexperienced providers, they can leave gaps in your network security. With SwiftTech, you get a fully configured, hassle-free setup from certified professionals. We don't just install, we can provide ongoing maintenance, monitoring, and support to your FortiGate devices with our management plans. Protect your business with confidence. Choose SwiftTech Solutions for your FortiGate installation and experience the difference.